All right. So for today's word problems, word stories, we're not going to be drawing just a picture. We're going to be using a 10 frame to help us figure out our solution. So let's read together, shall we? It says, Grandma sent 6 gifts in the mail. I opened 1 gift early. How many gifts do I have left to open? One more time. Grandma sent 6 gifts in the mail. I opened 1 gift early. How many gifts do I have left to open? So we have 6 gifts. Then we have 1 that's opened. And we want to know how many are left that haven't been opened. So to model with our 10 frame, we're essentially drawing our model within the 10 frame to help us keep our pictures, our sketches, organized. So it'll look a little something like this. I'm going to first draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, one of them was opened early. So is that one that we're going to draw, or is that something we're going to take away? That's right, because it didn't say that I was given another gift, more that I opened one. So I'm going to, you're right, cross it off. And now this lets me see clearly, because it is a 10 frame, that there are 5 left. How do I know that? Because there's 5 squares at the top and 5 at the bottom to make a 10 frame. So just for clarification, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gifts left to open. All right, so now it's going to be your turn. Will you be able to use a 10 frame to illustrate what the word story is asking? All right, let's try this one. Ready? It says, there are 7 ducks at the pet store. Brett buys 2 of the ducks. How many ducks are still at the pet store? One more time. There are 7 ducks at the pet store. Brett buys 2 of the ducks. How many ducks are still at the pet store? Feel free to pause the video as you use a 10 frame to sketch and illustrate this word problem. Now let's go ahead and check your answer. Ready? So we're going to have to draw 7 ducks, but then he buys 2 of them, all right? And the question is asking how many are at the store. There were 7 at the store. 2 are now gone. So this is going to be a takeaway where I'm going to model my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Did you illustrate 7? Good job. Now, it says 2 of them were bought by Brett. So that means I'm going to take away 1, take away 2. And that's going to leave how many at the store? Because that's what the question is asking. How many ducks are still at the pet store? There are, and already I can tell it's going to be 5 because of this 10 frame. Do you see how fast I'm getting? All because the 10 frame is keeping everything organized and structured for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is that the same answer that you got? Does your picture look very similar as mine? That's right. Thank you for working so hard. Please stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you.